As you can see, this is the brand new Galaxy S25 Ultra. I also have a case and a Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. The box looks just like last year's S24 Ultra. And that is the S25 Ultra. And we immediately got our fingerprints all over it. It's still got a premium feel to it. Personally, I like this better than the Apple unboxing. It's finally got a rounded edge. And there is this satisfying peel. It's also got this confusing box. It's got a SIM ejector, some manuals, and a USB Type-C to Type-C cable. That is, if I can get off the SIM ejector. Now let's boot this thing on. Honestly, the new design looks pretty good. It's basically the main difference of this phone and the last generation, except for the new ultra-wide lens. And finally, the case. The unboxing experience is premium. Get subscribed for the full review.